I love these throw-on wigs, baby. It's the best thing ever since sliced bread. Please tell me this is water on my shirt. Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Saturday. Me and my double chin. We are on our way to go volunteer. It is pouring. It is raining. How do they say? Cats and dogs outside. It is pouring. I would like to be in bed, but I'm gonna go volunteer. I'm running late. I'm supposed to be there at 10. I got this thing, you guys, for my dashboard to hold my camera so I don't have to like hold it, which is amazing. I tried to do this little style on my hair yesterday, the wash and go. Y'all, it's so crunchy, baby. It's super crunchy. But like it's turning white, which is what I don't like. So I don't wanna have to like wash it out again. So we'll see. Nonetheless, you guys, I'm grateful for another day because life is so unpredictable. The cycle of life, man, crazy. Done volunteering. Today was hectic. On my way home. Oh, excuse me. Cleaning. I'm gonna take a shower. Today I feel very like I want to stay home type of situation, but my sister and I'm probably gonna get some ice cream because I'm in the mood for ice cream. Guys, I've had this outfit since I was a baby. Like I was probably like 7, 8 years old. I've had this outfit in Haiti and I managed to bring it here with me. I've had it since and it still fits, so it's giving me some hope. Well, it fits. You guys, literally BMG needs to sponsor me at this point because I just got another wig from them. This is my 3rd wig from BMG within less than like 3 months. I realized it was a pattern. The first wig I got was like a 198 and they're all 4x6 closure wigs. The first one was 198, the second one was 204, and this one was 211. So I was like, okay, that's it. Because I'm not trying to pay no more than that. How much do you guys pay for your wigs? Comment down below. But I wanted to see the body wave. I got a 28-inch. I want to look at that body yaddy yaddy. Look at it. It comes, what is it, pre-plucked. There's one that comes pre-bleach, but it costs a little bit more for the pre-bleach one. So I was like, you know what, I'm good. So yeah, this is the 28-inch, baby. I don't know how the girls, like when they get the hair, they just put it on and go. I'm washing my hair so that way the curls can become a little bit looser, and then I can but yeah, I did a review on the hair company. You guys should definitely check it out. Let's just try it on, and it comes with a strap. You guys, love it. Let me see. I put it all the way to like the tightest it could be. Oh, it's gonna mess up my hair. Okay, so if you guys could see, when the girls online be like, all you gotta do is just put a little bit of makeup and whatever, I be looking like, girl. So I may cut the lace a little bit. If not, if I bleach it, just put a little bit of what is that, a little bit of makeup or the little mousse thingy. It's a 28-inch. Now once I wash it, it doesn't feel like 180% density. The other ones I've had felt fuller, but this is it. Look how a wig just changes like the way you look. Like it just changes it. A little bit of shedding. Yeah, a little bit of shedding. Where's a comb? I need a comb or a brush. Maybe I should just stay home. Y'all, my wig fell on the floor. I gotta wash this wig. Maybe I will bleach the knots and wash the hair. Yeah, I think it's gonna be. I wanted to like dye this hair, you guys. So we'll see. We'll see. 8 inches. 28 inches. I love these throw-on wigs, baby. It's the best thing ever since sliced bread. So yeah, this is the wig. So oh, you guys, also I don't know what's going on with me, but I'm getting rid, or I've gotten rid of a good amount of my wigs. I just want to have like 4-5 good wigs. So far they're all closures. I have 3 wigs now from BGM Girl Hair, and then I also bought a wig from Mega Look Hair. This one is a 13x4. It's, I think it's 28 or 30, and it's a body wave as well. And who's riding their bicycle? This one comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached. I definitely want to have this hair colored by a professional. I'll insert like little pictures of the color that I want for the wig. I want this wig to be like glueless, so whenever I have to go to like something like major, big event, if I don't want to wear my little natural curls out, okay, I can pop on this wig and it's gonna give like, it's just gonna be giving like, she's that girl. She is the moment. Okay, so this is my first time ordering from Mega Look Hair. You guys, they had a sale, like the 38-inch was $198. I was like, oh, for sure, you're right on. I got it. So I'll show it to you guys real quick. This one feels a little bit more fuller than this one. So, see, it comes. This is a pre-bleached, y'all, because I know it's a little bit pre-bleached, but like not like crazy bleach, like how you bleach your own hair. This is this hair, and I already like had to throw it on and I started playing with it. My camera's about to die, but I'll make it quick. This is the wig. Okay, now this one feels more fuller. Oh, it looks crooks. Alright, but y'all, this one definitely feels more fuller than this one. This one feels longer than this one, and this is a 30-inch, this is a 28-inch. So this is another good wig. I'm definitely gonna get this professionally done, colored, whatever I gotta do, so I could have this wig and I could throw it on. I don't want to mess it up myself, so then I'll have about a few good wigs and I'm good. So yeah, that's it. Oh baby, it's so bright outside, but okay, camera had died, but I'm in the car. You're gonna see this little thing here. It's literally for me to put my phone so I can like record at the same time. This little phone tripod mount. I'll probably put it in my down below in the link, so check it out. I got it from Amazon. You know, Amazon is like taking everybody's money. Yeah, the sun is setting. It's like 7 o'clock. I just want to get ice cream and come back home and just relax. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Going to get ice cream. This is so big. I'm so nervous the way it's holding up.
Yeah, the higher the worse.
Okay.
Chocolate Monster has marshmallows and chocolate has...
We get a lot of our regulars at that time.
Okay, gotcha. A thing of...
Are you a rewards member with that? Show your ice cream. Why are you so... You gotta show it like you're happy.
Something came in my eye as soon as you put that camera on.
good. It's good cookie something. It's really good. It's like authentic. It's real.
I like that one.
Very, very cool. Mine wasn't even cold in the store.
No, yours started melting right away.
I did not like it. Yeah, like this. Oh my god, I gotta get this. Beautiful. That's how good. I did not like that. Record everybody's license plate.
I'm not recording nobody's license
You
plate.
sure? You've never recorded anybody?
I have.
That car. You just got that car.
How?
Okay.
No, it's focusing on me.
It's focusing on you, but
Yeah,
somebody
my arm is hurting.
Somebody could unfocus.
It's focusing on me.
That's so cool how they did that.
We just have that time to be happy together.
My hair is like the wash and go method, but like look how it's like flaky and white. That bothers me about it. Makes me wanna probably gonna tie my hair up for church tomorrow. It's not giving what it needs to give. Anyways, I'm watching Housewives of Atlanta.
Your friend's little. It may mean a lot.
Tomorrow's church. I'm gonna try to go to sleep early tonight by the grace of God. Hopefully, God willing, and wake up in the morning and try to be at church by at least 9:30. I'm gonna try to edit these videos. Catch you guys later.
Pumpkin spice latte.
Pumpkin spice latte. I'm not a coffee drinker. Bad, but not a coffee drinker. Right. You can taste the coffee. It needs some sweet. Or like some foam or like some whipped cream or something on top of it.
I don't know. I didn't know how to order. I was like, can you get pumpkin spice latte?
No, you have to. I don't know.
I want Tammy to do it for me.
Today's Labor Day. We're gonna start the morning off by going for a walk. So your girl is dressed for her walk. Today I will finally do laundry. That's it. Happy Monday. Grateful for another day. Let me put on some sunscreen and I'm gonna get a tan with this outfit on. Our walk probably about like 3 miles. Gonna go to probably Sam's Club to get some stuff. We want to do like a little barbecue for Labor Day and then just enjoy each other's presence. Because life is too short. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So, catch you guys later. Tomato on the vine. Tomato on the vine. They're kind of big. These look kind of sweet. I'll get this one. That's cool. Okay, what kind of lettuce should we get? I want shredded because the shredded one is already like done and it's nice. Not our neighbor. 13 chicken. Oh, and the can. Why do I look? Ooh, we are at the W. Getting some things. Gotta be safe. Anyways, trying to get some stuff.
It's not bad.
Or even this one in the back. Buns have been secured. I'm gonna make my infamous cornbread. So you need the honey jiffies. You need milk. Can you have some of the corn, please? And you need this, and then sugar. Then you bake it, and then you're good. So yeah, let's go make some food.
Trying to make you $10.
Thank you. Where you from?